Code.org's year-long professional development program prepares you and other middle school science teachers to implement the computer science and science curricular modules and support your growth as a science teacher. Within the professional development program, teachers learn basic computer science concepts and computer programming, engage in scientific inquiry using models and simulation, and discuss effective teaching practices and solutions to potential roadblocks. Over the years, we've seen many teachers experience the power of discovery and acting as a scientist, then passing this newly rekindled enthusiasm and excitement onto their students. The PD program consists of three major components: the pre-workshop online preparation, the summer face-to-face professional development workshop, and the academic year support. You are now beginning the Phase 1 pre-workshop online preparation. During Phase 1, you'll view introductory videos to build your background knowledge and will be guided through a series of tutorials to get you started in computer modeling and simulation. During Phase 2, the Summer Intensive Professional Development Workshop, you'll experience designing and building models as learners in a group setting. You'll learn how to conduct experiments using computer models, and you'll practice teaching computer modeling and simulation. You'll also have the opportunity to walk through the modules in subject area groupings and develop your own professional learning community that will continue throughout the year. During the academic year, Phase 3, you'll attend one-day refresher workshops and participate online. At the one-day face-to-face workshops in your districts, one in the fall and another one in the winter or spring, you'll prepare for upcoming implementations, practice teaching using the Use, Modify, Create trajectory, and review computing concepts and skills. You'll also learn about additional computer models for inclusion in your classroom and prepare to run a computer science and science activity during Code.org's Hour of Code. We'll also continue with our online portal to view videos demonstrating activities that augment and reinforce learning. You'll discuss implementation successes and barriers and share evidence of student learning. This set of videos kicks off the first portion of the pre-workshop online component. In this component, you'll watch and discuss key concepts underlying modeling and simulation and become acquainted with the computer modeling and simulation tool we'll be using. Most of all, we want to thank you for taking on this challenge and committing to developing your teaching of scientific practice. We hope this will be a great learning experience for you.